It's your boy Quez, and we back for another video. Oh my God, it's been too long, y'all. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, because this is about to be a banger, I promise. As you can see right now, we in the snow. By the next time you see me, we gonna be in Miami. Make sure y'all tap in and also turn on post notifications. Let's get it. Yeah. Y'all didn't know I was Batman. I've been trying to tell y'all for a long time. Like, I'm out here saving this city. When I'm not with y'all, I'm saving this city.
Turn this into reality.
Why is she talking to me like that? We 30 seconds in the video. I'm already rock.
How you make it out? Isn't it beautiful though? Like, let's be real. Isn't it freaking beautiful? If you haven't liked and subscribed by now, we have a problem. Make sure you tell your mama to sub up, your daddy. So, what should we get into?
What?
What should we get into?
We should get into some... I don't even know. Some of everything.
And I'm back rock.
I like that. I like that. If I win this, you gotta give me your first snap.
If he win, you gotta give him the front snap.
Okay.
But if you win,
you got me fucked up for real. Like, I don't really play games. Y'all see, I don't back down from shit. I don't play games with kids. You feel me? Nah, I heard a street nigga say that one.
That's all I had to hear.
After I played foosball with fine shit, I decided to get on the road and go shoot a music video with my boy. And I'm not gonna lie, it turned out fucking amazing.
Man, this money don't really. What? Man, I swear nobody. I may look good in my heart, but I'm really screaming.
Yes, sir.
Nah, what kind of thing?
Fuck this niggas talking about.
So how's Miami?
Fun. Top. We lit. Word.
We lit. Yeah, bro. Also, bro, what are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to get on top of the bus.
Bro, give it up.
Get that shit.
Okay.
You got it. All you have to do is step on his tire and pop yourself up.
You gonna do it. You see how long, bro? You see how tall this nigga is? You see how tall this nigga is? This nigga 6'6".
Pop yourself up.
Bro,
There's a little ledge for you to step right there.
I just did, and I couldn't even reach the tree. From right here, I couldn't even reach the tree. My arm just snapped.
Yo.
Here we go. Damn. You gonna hit the next one. So am I. After getting a bucket with fine shit, I decided to go get a bucket of fried chicken. And you know, everything better in Miami. The fucking Canes was so good. But if you're still actively watching, drop a W so I know you are actually here.
Got condoms in the bathroom. We got it's a guy in a suit. Look at the water, go sing, stop playing. Ain't got to go on. Oh yeah, I'm about to wash my hands. I was just on. Wait.
A few moments later.